Furniture installation services is one of the unique services which eMovers pioneered in Qatar. We work with many office furniture and home furniture brands from across the globe and offer them furniture storage, delivery, and installation services. These brands focus on furniture procurement and furniture sale and hire professional services of eMovers to store and install their furniture in Qatar. We have trained our technicians to handle and install almost all brands and types of furniture. To know more about our services, call us on 800-9003 or visit our website.